Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today we are making one of my favorite brunch items to order at restaurants, and that is an Eggs Benedict. But my version is a tiny bit lighter. I don't have the Hollandaise sauce. Instead, I have this delicious avocado cream sauce. So if you guys like Eggs Benedict as much as I do, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing we're gonna do is put a big pot of water on a boil. Now this has already come to a boil, but I've lowered it a little bit so that you can kind of see that it's simmering. This is perfect for poached eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and poach the eggs now. So I have my 2 eggs. I'm gonna do one at a time. So what you wanna do is just make sure that the water isn't a rolling boil. It looks like this. Create yourself a little tornado. So a circular motion like that. And then into the middle, you're going to go ahead and crack your egg. Perfect, and then that will sit in there for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you like extra runny yolk, then 3 minutes is good. I'm gonna leave mine in for a little bit longer, so maybe like 4.5 minutes, because I just want the yolk to be nice and cooked. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this away, and I'll show you guys how to make that awesome avocado cream sauce. All right, so into my NutriBullet is all the ingredients that are gonna go with the avocado cream sauce. So first I've got half an avocado and a clove of garlic. And then I have 1.5 limes that I've juiced. I've got a 1/4 cup of ground flax seeds. If you have hemp seeds, that would work, or chia seeds even, but this just gives it a little extra protein. And then I've got a green onion that I've chopped roughly, and then cilantro. And then just for a little bit of liquid, I've got about half a cup of water. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then I'm just gonna blend this all up until it's nice and creamy. All right, that is good. So now my cream sauce is done. Let's check on our eggs. All right, so the egg looks like it's done. So now just carefully take it out. Perfect. You want it to kind of like jiggle still. And I left it a little bit in longer, so I just want the yolk to kind of get a little bit firmer. So this I'm just gonna pull out and put on a plate while I assemble the rest of my Egg Benedicts. So the thing that kind of makes this lighter than your usual Eggs Benedict is this avocado cream sauce. Basically, I just wanna make sure that I'm not using that Hollandaise, which is just eggs and butter, and instead I'm using this to make it kind of creamy. And then you also get creaminess from the egg yolk itself. So I'm just gonna take about, I'd say like a tablespoon, and I'm just gonna make one for now since it's just me. So I'm just gonna spread a little bit of this avocado cream sauce on the egg McMuffin, or the egg English muffin, sorry. And then what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of spinach, just for a little bit of greenness. And then I absolutely love smoked salmon, so I'm gonna add a piece of smoked salmon, optional, but I just love the flavor of it. And then a couple slices of tomatoes, and then for the favorite part, the egg. Yum. And then I also like to kind of top it off a little bit with that avocado cream sauce as well, just because it tastes so good. And then it's a little thick, so I would probably have added a little bit more water just to kind of thin it out a little bit. But there you guys go, look at this. And of course, I've got to show you, oh yeah, Yeah, perfect. Now, a lot of people don't like that egg yolk, so it's really up to you. Just cook it a little bit longer if you don't like that runny egg, but it's an Egg Benedict. You have to have runny yolk. So now I'm just gonna, you know what? We're just gonna be totally messy and eat this like this. So don't mind me. I'm gonna take a bite. You guys, so good. Honestly, you do not miss the Haagen-Dazs at all because that cream avocado sauce is delicious. You guys, try this Eggs Benedict version out. You will not be disappointed. All right, guys, if you like brunch ideas, if you like Eggs Benedict, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. All right, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Let's do that last.